Welcome all to SBIT presentation presented by Bryan SBIT. 3D printing is the technology I did on my assignments. 3D technology. First of all, what is 3D technology? 3D printing technology, or sometimes it's called additive manufacturing, is the process of making three-dimensional solid objects from a digital file. The creation of a 3D printed object is achieved by using additive processes. Two companies using 3D printing technology. One, Mercedes-Benz, which is automotive, and second one is NAC, which is footwear. Both of these, they use 3D printing. Explanation about the 3D printing technology. 3D printing is a manufacturing process that has been developed steadily since 1984, founded by John Howe. 3D printing process allows three-dimensional objects to be printed from digital data. 3D printing technology is changing the way they produce objects from tools, toys, to clothing, even body parts. 3D printing allows designers to create complex parts for cars, machines, and airplanes. There are at least two kinds of additive 3D printing, resin and non-resin. The most common material used in 3D printing is plastic. In medical world, doctors are used 3D printing to make small body parts like eyes and nose. Some surgeries have been even tested 3D printing organs for transplants. Analyzing how Mercedes-Benz used 3D printing technology to gain a competitive advantage, I've used Port 5 force analysis. First of all, when I talk about Port 5 analysis, I'll talk about trade of new entries. Mercedes, since the company is well established and have almost 30 years of experience in 3D printing, they produce a high quality and impression of 3D printing for their series of spare parts. The challengers should therefore fear Mercedes-Benz. When it comes to cost, must spend a large amount of money building facilities and quarry machinery. Also, they need skilled workforce within experience in this sector. Since Mercedes have got all these, it will be hard for the new entry to have that kind of resources that Mercedes have. So, when it comes to advantages, Mercedes are far ahead when talk about 3D printing technology compared to other companies. Also, we got trade of substitute products or service. Mercedes, when it comes to 3D printing, when talk about trade of substitutes, products or service, benefiting from reduced weight and costs. Mercedes also focus on differentiating its products by making sure that buyers buy the original brands of their products. When it comes to buying power of customers, 3D processes for plastic spare parts are the standard production method in the customer service. Mercedes 3D printing helps Mercedes to make genuine spare parts, and their parts can easily ordered. Supplied online by just pressing a button of the 3D printer, and is quick, economically, good, and quality. Increasing competition has also led Mercedes-Benz focusing more on customer retention and engagement. So when it comes to about bargaining of power, comparing to other companies, Mercedes is far away as well. When talk about their standard of processing of their thing of products, they make genuine spare parts, and also for the customers to get their parts is easily to get them since they just order online. It's easy, and Mercedes is all over the world. So when it comes to their cost to bargaining power of customers, Mercedes are far ahead as well. Bargaining power of suppliers. When you talk about bargaining power of suppliers, 3D printing spare parts of Mercedes, most suppliers do not hold any significant bargaining power. Mercedes, their 3D printing products belong to every distinct category of premium mobility. Image and reception, automobile industry that helps Mercedes brand manage their competitive position. When it comes to these, Mercedes as well is far ahead when it comes about bargaining power of suppliers, because Mercedes are the image and their reputation automobile industry that help them to manage other than competition to their position. Because most of the people, when it comes to Mercedes about their suppliers, they supply their products is genuine compared to other companies. And Mercedes, they make sure that their 3D printing, nobody can copy it. So whichever they want to buy for Mercedes, they have to buy for Mercedes, which is mostly buying power of the suppliers, which means suppliers will be looking for the Mercedes make, not anything else for their Mercedes. When it comes to competitive rivalry, image and resumption of Mercedes brands money they're competitive. When you talk about this, Mercedes, when you talk about 3D printing, their products are original and affordable and they're available everywhere. So when you ever want to Mercedes products, spare parts is easily to access and also available. And market wise, it's all over the world. We make them you can get easily wherever we are. So when it comes to competitive rival, Mercedes is top of the game. So to analyze how 3D printing technology has impacted society, I've used SWOT analysis. First of all, I'll talk about strength. When we talk about strength in 3D printing technology, it's cheaper medical care. 3D printing have helped a lot of people save their life by printing organs for a human body such as liver and kidney and heart. And also reduction of environmental pollution and cost. Printing prevent pollution by trimming down transportation needs and lower their manufacturing and transportation costs. It also reduces waste to have the inconvenience of a 3D printer and one fingerprint. The weakness, when we talk about weakness and health air erosion, 3D printers may pose a health risk when used in their homes or our homes. Because when you talk about 3D, most of them are plastic. So plastic are dangerous when you talk about it. Smoke of the plastic is dangerous. It can fix someone's health. When you talk about opportunities about 3D printing in society, increase mass personalization of products. Also, by trimming down transportation, it can save money and time in those hard to reach areas. When we talk about opportunities, these opportunities will make people to save their money and time. Instead of going to shops or to industry or to wherever company to look for the parts, they just audit and do online, which they make them save money and time as well. When we talk about trades, it's eliminate jobs which will have affect the society, lay off staff or entire staff. This will make risk for the society. 3D make risk for society by people losing their jobs, people laying off, company lay off their staff, or the whole department. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.